So here we have the Nexlux LED rope light, and I think I got about 50 feet here that I got from Amazon, and this is how it comes. And you could see underneath there is a double sticky tape, so that's how it gets glued down to whatever surface you're going to use it. Then it also comes with a remote, and it comes with the Wi-Fi adapter. So the Wi-Fi adapter has a connector, a male connector that goes into the AC power supply, which is right here. And then you can control this light via Wi-Fi with an app, or with the included controller, which is right here. And I'm going to show you how to cut it, how to do a 45-degree turn, and how to continue it. Basically, all strips work the same way. You cut it on the dotted line in this case it's right here. See that line right there? And those copper tabs there are the connectors. You extend it with a connector like this. This is a 10mm strip, and this is a 10mm connector. And the connector just goes in there in the strip. And then to make the 45s, you basically have this, what they call, I call it a little 45 bridge connector, but it's actually an L connector, I believe. So you just go ahead, and the L connector, the way it works is it goes underneath the, slides right in there, underneath the silver tabs, and that's how you make the connection to continue on that way to go around the corner. But it's very simple to install. What you need to know also is some strips come with a silicone top to protect the light, like this one. So what you want to do here, and you can see, is you want to cut a little bit off, and the back has the self-adhesive tape. You cut a little bit off as well, so when you install the connector, okay, you don't have that silicone. It's hard to see, but there is, you can see right there, there is a silicone piece that you go ahead and just basically pull it back like this. You can see I'm pulling it back, and you just cut it where you need it. That's basically all you have to know, really, is cut on the dotted line. If it comes with a silicone top here, like this one does, the protective silicone, you cut it back where the connector is going to go. And then the most important thing is to go ahead and get the right size connectors. I believe 10mm is probably the standard size. There might be other sizes out there. It makes contact with the red, with the green, red, and blue. And then you have your 12 volt here at the end here for power. And what I like to do is I like to turn it on and install it while it's on. That way I know, and then go through all the lights, all the colors to see if it's working. So I'll have it on, and then I'll go to blue, green, and red, and make sure all of it work. Because sometimes the connectors might not be touching, so you'll have blue and green working, but not red. So it's always good to have it on, and then with the remote control, I just hit it the 3 different colors to make sure that all the tabs are connected. And that's the way I've been doing it. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside here, and you can see in the corner there where I have the L connector, or the little bridge connector, and then the sticky tape just holds it in place. You can see it just held in place right here, and along some of the edges here I did put, like you can see that white clip right there, I did put that to hold it down. Alright, here's what it looks like when it's completed. The Nexlux LED light changes to a bunch of colors. Comes with a remote control. So here's the remote for the Nexlux LED strip light, and you can see that it does various things, including fade, smooth, which goes from one color to another, strobe, and flash. And then you could actually pick any color that you want. So if I wanted to pick this blue color right here, I'll go ahead and do that. Of course, you could set this up with Alexa and Wi-Fi.